Hello everyone, back tuning into today's video, doing the weekend forecast. Today, going to have a detailed look at the weather for the next 7 days across the British Isles. We've got quite an unusual pattern emerging this week, which means confidence in the forecast is going to be low. The best of the weather, the driest, brightest, warmest conditions will probably be for the north, while the south and the southeast probably gets the coolest, unsettled, wet, showery conditions through the coming week. That's quite a topsy-turvy pattern. It's unusual for this country to have that pattern, and because of that pattern being unusual, really, confidence in the forecast is quite low from as early, believe it or not, as around Monday. I haven't got great confidence in this week ahead forecast, but we'll have a look at all the charts and do the forecast as best we can in a moment. Before I get on with the video though, just to talk about the advertising, there's video ads. My page is at GavsWebBiz.com, and if you hit play on that video ad, you'll be supporting GavsWebBiz.com, and thanks very much for doing that. The websites that we're using for the video, we've got the radar pitch coming from UK Met Office today, and we've got charts from weathercentre.de and weatherapple.com. You can find the link to all three of those websites on my next page. So let's get on with the lot going on. Here's the radar picture. Let's go back and see what was going on at 8 o'clock this morning. Had heavy rain coming in across southern and southeast parts of the country from the east. That's pushed northwards and westwards through the course of the morning, affecting much of England and Wales. And now the current situation is that the rain is stretched out from northeast England down through the Midlands in towards south western parts of England and Wales. To the southeast, it's drying up across central, southern, southeastern England, but it's not dry because if you look down in the channel, we've got these heavy showers pushing northwards out of France. They're going to be pushing north across the southeast this afternoon as this persistent rain continues northwards and westwards across England and Wales. Here's today's Arctic pressure chart. We've more or less got low pressure right over the country. So we've got that persistent area of rain through northeast England, the Midlands, Wales down into the southwest. Going to push northwards and westwards slowly through the course of this afternoon, really affecting northern England and Wales, but it could linger down in towards the north and west Midlands as well for a time. Scotland and Northern Ireland getting the driest, brightest conditions today. I think it will more or less stay dry, although the odd shower can't be ruled out. And then for the southeast, through central, southern, southeastern England, also the East Midlands, I think we're going to be watching out for those big showers developing this afternoon as it brightens up. The sun should come out, but that's going to spark off the risk of big showers, possibly some thunderstorms in places as well. Some really torrential downpours can't be ruled out. Under the persistent rain, it's very, very cool. Temperatures just 10 to 12 degrees, well below average. In the best of the sunshine, temperatures should struggle up to around 17 degrees. That's about where we should be at this time of year, but certainly nothing to write home about. The low pressure is going to push further northwards and westwards overnight, so I think we'll take the persistent rain from northern England and Wales and shift it up towards Scotland and Northern Ireland, so you will get a dose of rain in the north tonight. Going to stay quite showery for northern England, Wales and southwestern parts of England, but through the Midlands, southeast England, those thundery showers this afternoon should die out through this evening, and then it will turn largely dry in the southeast. Temperatures between around 5 and 10. Going through to Sunday, the low pressure is up to the northwest, so I think we'll start off with perhaps still some quite persistent rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but it'll turn more showery through the course of the day, and really the showers are going to be in the north and west on Sunday. So for Scotland, Ireland, northwestern parts of England, down into Wales, southwest England, possibly West Midlands as well, you're at the risk of some quite big showers through the course of Sunday. Heavy showers, quite slow moving showers, possibly a few thunderstorms thrown in as well. To the southeast of that, probably largely dry. The odd shower can't be ruled out, but I think through the southern part of the Midlands into southeastern England, it's going to tend to be a drier day than was the case today. Probably quite a lot of cloud though, with limited bright or sunny spell. Temperatures on Sunday could get up to around 18 degrees in the best of the sunshine. Let's go through to Bank Holiday Monday. We've got uncertainty. This area of low pressure is developing to the east and drifting in across England and Wales. It's quite difficult to pin down the exact detail, but I think we'll tend to start off mainly dry through most parts of the country, some sunny spells on Monday morning, and we should keep it largely bright, at least for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, although showers will develop up here and one or two of those could be heavy. But the focus is really for England and Wales, and particularly the Midlands, central, southern, southeast England, where some really heavy rain could push in from the east during the course of Monday afternoon. Real washout possible around those East Anglian and southeastern coast. Really heavy rain may develop. But it is uncertain how much rain we have this area of low pressure coming in, but got to watch out for it. Temperatures under any persistent rain, just 12 or 13 degrees, otherwise up to around 18 degrees. As we move through into Tuesday, we bring this low pressure right in across the country. So overnight, Monday into Tuesday, could be very wet for England and Wales, with risk of some heavy, thundery places, torrential rain. That will be moving west out of the way as we go through into Tuesday. So Wales and South West England probably starting off on a wet note, but rain drifting out to the west, and then sort of quite cloudy conditions really for England and Wales, with showery rain scattered about, and some of those showers could be quite heavy. High pressure is trying to ridge in from the northeast to the north, you'll notice. So for Scotland, Northern Ireland, possibly Northern England, the showers should start to die down up here, and it may turn mainly dry with some bright or sunny spells. But warmest temperatures in the north, possibly up to 19 or 20 around northwestern Scotland. Coolest temperatures down in the south and southeast, around 14 or 15 at best. And then going through to Wednesday, it's really a north-south split, and that's how we keep it for the rest of the week. So Northern Ireland close to this area of high pressure, largely dry. For Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, a few showers scattered about, but not too bad at all, really. Whereas further south, across England and Wales, we have the risk of heavy showers, possibly some thunderstorms. And on Wednesday afternoon, we may bring another bout of more persistent rain into the east, off the North Sea, so got to watch out for that one. Temperatures somewhere between around 20 to 14 degrees, and that's going north to south as opposed to south to north, where you'd normally find the warmest to coolest temperatures. Thursday, no real change. It's north-south split, so the north mainly dry. Eastern part of Scotland could be cloudy with some low cloud coming in off the North Sea, but otherwise mainly dry with some brighter sunny spells in the north, whereas the south has the risk of those heavy, thundery showers under that trough of low pressure. Once again, temperatures highest in the north, coolest in the south. Going through to Friday, no great changes again. The driest weather always up to the north and the northeast, but most showery conditions and coolest conditions as well down to the south. Perhaps the showers becoming a little bit more widespread as we go through to the end of the week, maybe impacting Scotland as well, but that is quite uncertain. Temperatures highest in the north. Difficult to put a lot of detail on this though, and as we go through to next weekend, well, probably turning more showery actually across all parts of the coast, so the showers may extend up from the north, but at the same time temperatures could be lifting up, so possibly up to around 20-21 degrees quite widely by next weekend. That's the 70 Fahrenheit mark. Have a look at the charts from the Weather Outlook. When the website clicks over, it will click over in a moment. There we go. There's persistent rain pushing northwards across the country right now, and let's go through to the afternoon. We're going to find heavy showers breaking out to the southeast with persistent rain across northern England and down into parts of Wales as well. Scotland getting the driest weather. The showers are in the north and the west as we go into Sunday. The driest, brightest weather down in the south and the southeast. As we go through to Bank Holiday Monday, well, showers in the north, but there's that persistent rain coming in from the east. We have got to watch out that could be torrential rain moving in from the east across, particularly England, through the course of Bank Holiday Monday afternoon. A lot of uncertainty with that. Showers, really, I think, for the south on Tuesday. Driest weather in the north. Going through to Wednesday, showers in the south, driest in the north. Thursday, more showers for England and Wales. Driest weather always for Scotland. That's where the warmest temperatures will be as well. And then, a bit uncertain as we go through to Friday, but I think those showers may actually turn a little bit more widespread, but it is uncertain, and the uncertainty is really starting as early as Monday, so quite unusual this, but I've got so much low confidence in the forecast from so early on, but it's because of that pattern with the high pressure to the north and the low pressure to the south being quite unusual. But in summary, well, it's a north-south split. Looks over north going to get the best of the weather this week. Driest, brightest and warmest for Scotland. The south getting the most unsettled weather. Coolest, wettest conditions will be in the south and the southeast, with heavy showers on many days through the coming week. Persistent rain today, and watch out for that heavy rain coming in from the east, or at least the risk of it coming in from the east on Bank Holiday Monday. So not a great forecast really for Bank Holiday weekend. It's a typical showery sort of British Bank Holiday weekend, unfortunately. But whatever you're doing, hope you enjoy it. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.